Hey guys, welcome back. It's Mel here. Today's video is gonna be me unboxing my spring 2026 FabFitFun box. I showed you my winter FabFitFun box and talked a little bit about the subscription, so if you're interested about hearing more about that, I'll link that video up here. Check that out. I explain a little bit more about it and kind of like if it's worth it or not in that video, but today I just want to kind of reveal my spring box and show you guys my picks and we'll explore the box together. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe down below. I do all things beauty, so if you want to see what's in my spring FabFitFun box, let's dive in. All right guys, I'm gonna have to back up for this. Try not to burn the house down. So again, it is a subscription. You get 4 seasonal boxes, so spring, summer, fall, and winter, and you get 6 personal choices in your box of the products they have available. So it can include anything from makeup, beauty care, body care, hair care, to even pet stuff, home things, gardening things. So it's really a really fun subscription. I have been enjoying it. This will be my second year doing it. I've gone through 1 year, so I've gone through 4 boxes, and I'm gonna do another year. We'll see if I continue every year, but for now I've been enjoying it. All right, so again, this is the spring box. How cute! This is making me really excited for spring and summer because I am so over this winter. Okay. Ooh, so excited! Okay, just so I don't make a mess of anything. Now, like in my previous winter box, I talked about the add-ons. I do the dog bandana add-on because I think they're super cute. And I also do the surprise candle. Love those 2 add-ons. You do not have to do the add-ons, but it's a fun little extra surprise in your box each season. I'm gonna show you my add-ons. The first one is the candle. I really love these candles. They smell so beautiful. They're a bougie perfume. Smells like collection. Cocoa by Stone. This is the vanilla beans and cacao. Cacao. No, someone help me. Oh my gosh. That smells like cocoa butter. Oh man, that is gonna be really, really nice. That smells amazing. Although I don't know if I'd pick this for like a spring summer scent. It would be definitely nice for fall and winter, but the smell is amazing and so decadent that I will enjoy it regardless. And this is like a hefty size. This is bigger than my previous one, so that's really cool. Definitely love the seasonal candle add-on. And then my other one is the dog bandanas. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I get the size large for my big dog, which would probably fit my puppy now, but oh my gosh, it has little mushrooms. I love the color, the mint with the cute little spring colors. Although I'm not a big mushroom fan, just because I think mushrooms are super cute. But I feel like if I have any kind of mushroom stuff, mushroom decor, mushroom clothing, mushroom dog bandana, people are gonna think that I do shrooms. Am I the only one that thinks that? Or they think I'm like a hippie into some other kind of stuff? Or is that just all in my head? I don't do shrooms, but the mushrooms are cute. I just avoid them so people don't think I do shrooms. Anyways, I love this. Super cute for spring. The next set I was super excited about getting. I have been getting some home and kitchen things. I just thought these would be a little bigger. So this is the Golden Rabbit Home Prep Bowls with lids in the Cobalt Swirl. I don't have like a lot of like entertaining kitchen items, so I thought this would be cute. These are just a lot smaller than I thought they would be for like a prep bowl, but they'll still be good for like snacks and dips, I feel like. Really cute. Let's see what the quality's like. They had 2 colors. They have this like pretty cobalt blue. They also had a mint one. I went back and forth, but I went with the cobalt blue. Just thought it was more of a really classic, pretty color. Okay. That's like nice quality. Nice plastic lid for traveling, taking anything to like a party, and then the other one is on the inside. Okay, this is like really nice quality. That feels very, very sturdy and I feel like it will stand a lot of things. Kind of seems like with the metal, it might be a little insulated, which would be nice for hot or cool things. Let's see what the other size looks like. Definitely could do some snacks in here. Just was hoping prep bowls they'd be a little bigger, but I'm not upset about it. They're super cute. Really, really nice. Love this pattern. It's so pretty. Both come with the lid. Let's see what it says. Small business, handmade, dishwasher safe. I love anything that's dishwasher safe. BPA free, lead free. Avoid soaking steel rim. Dishwasher cleaning recommended. Okay. Use non-abrasive cleaner or foam sponge. Clean. That's really cute. I really like that. It'll be a nice little addition to my kitchen. I remember there was one category, one option pick that I didn't really see anything new and exciting, but I saw this Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. I've actually used this in the past and really enjoyed it, so that's why I picked it for one of my choices. I want to try it out again because I remember really enjoying it. So it's a nice dry shampoo that actually cleans hair and it leaves it soft and it doesn't leave a lot of that dry shampoo residue, grittiness in your hair. So I've always really enjoyed this. It is a more expensive dry shampoo, so when I saw it was available as a choice, I was like, done. I will pick that. I'm always looking for the next best eye cream for these under eye bags. So one of my choices was the Drunk Elephant Ceramide AF Eye Balm. Cushion and strengthen. 3% ceramide blend, 10% plant omega lipid complex. So really excited for this. A cushiony, deeply replenishing eye balm with barrier strengthening ceramides, omega-rich plant oils, fatty acids, and antioxidant compounds, delivers deep, long-lasting moisture, reinforces skin barrier, restores elasticity, smooths tired, dry skin around the eyes for a refreshed, well-rested look. Everything I need. Let's see what the size is, because it's a pretty big box for an eye cream. Such cute packaging. Okay, wow, that is like a decent size for an eye cream. How do I, oh my gosh, trick on me. Not a cap, it is a spinny with a pump. Drunk Elephant does not play around with their packaging. How freaking cute is that? I can't wait to try this. 2 other makeup products. So this is the Ole Henriksen Pout Preserve Peptide Lip Treatment, Hydrating Lip Treatment. I've seen a lot of good things about these, so when I saw that was a choice, I was like, yes, please. And I got it in Strawberry Sorbet. Glow beyond the balm. Smooth, soften, and plump your pout with hydration with this overachieving, deliciously nourishing lip treatment. Hardworking peptides and antioxidants to help strengthen and bring bounce back to dry lips. Let's see. That smells so good. So you can see the applicator tip. It's nice and angled. This will be really great. Looks like it's going to have some pigment to it. Swatch some on my hand. Yeah. Maybe I'll just apply some to my lips. It smells so good. Ooh, that color. That's amazing. I'm really excited. It's definitely, I feel like definitely has more pigment than my Summer Fridays in Pink Sugar. So that's really nice because I do love my Summer Fridays, but this has more pigment. Do Summer Fridays have pigment? I haven't tried any other shades to know, but these had more pigment. I might lean to liking these a little bit more. Feels so nice. The other lip product I got is this Ilia Lip Sketch Hydrating Crayon. Smoothing, pumping, long lasting in the shade Genre. Lip care with color. Comfort of a lipstick. Precision of a lip liner. Lightweight crayon that glides on with rich, long-lasting color, visibly hydrating, smoothing, plumping with every wear. So I really want like a lip liner that I can throw in my purse that when I'm out and about or just quickly leave the house and nothing on my lips, it'd be nice to have like a product like this. It's like a lip liner in like a lipstick all-in-one, like it can fill it in. I know all lip liners can do that, but something that has more thickness to it. So I've kind of been thinking about maybe the Rhode lip liner, but I'm not sure. So when I saw this as an option, I was like, okay, that's cool. This could be what I'm looking for. Let's try out this color. Although this color is a little dark for every day, but maybe we can make it work. We'll see. That was really creamy. Looks like it does blend out, but like it's staying pretty good on my hand. We'll have to see how good this is. All right, 2 more products. Looks like this was a freebie in my box. This is the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day 3-in-1 dog shampoo. Oh, how cute. Veterinarian tested, white peach scent. Cleanses, conditions, and deodorizes. So I'll have to try this on my pups when they'll probably need a bath soon because with all the snow melting and the weather getting warmer, our yard is so muddy. We need lots of baths and they go crazy in the yard. So I'm excited to try this out. I feel like this will be a cute little spa-like treatment for them when they get their baths. And then last but not least, a lot of my TikTok feed is either like beauty stuff or it's like home stuff just because that's my phase of life right now. And I saw a lot of people trying like laundry detergents. And then I saw this as an option. I was like, I should try this. This is the Laundress Beauty Sleep Bedding and Sleepwear Detergent with perfume crafted fragrance. Warm sandalwood, night blooming jasmine, soothing lavender. I just thought this would be really nice when I clean like my linens, my sheets, my couch covers, pillow covers, all that good stuff in areas of the home where we relax or sleep. I just feel like this would be so nice to, you know, just make it a more comforting, relaxing environment. Enjoy slipping into beautifully clean fabrics for nighttime and sink into tranquility with a lullaby of warm sandalwood, lavender, night blooming jasmine, and a whisper of rose. Grounded by musk and amber. That is very, very detailed. Part of our Beauty Sleep Fabric Care Collection, this certified bio-based product is designed to transform your laundry routine in a serene, well-being ritual. Complete your evening wind down with the Laundress Beauty Sleep Fabric Spray. I don't have that, but that'd be cool to look into. The finishing touch to freshen bedding and sleepwear. So it says you can get up for a medium load, if you use 1 fluid ounce, the recommended amount, 30 mLs for a medium load, you can get about 15 loads out of this, which I feel like I would get more. We'll have to see. You might not need the full 1 ounce depending on how perfumed this is. Let's smell it. Oh, okay. Not what I was expecting. No, I feel like it will probably smell different after actually using it. It smells good. It's just a little more perfumey than spa-like comforting, if you know what I mean. It smells good. It's just more like a florally perfume. Now, on sheets, it might smell different. Because when I waft it, it does smell very nice and clean. But I feel like it's that jasmine that's really coming through. Not my favorite scent, to be honest, but I'll definitely use it and try it. I'm definitely a sandalwood lavender girl. But I feel like the jasmine is the most strong smelling in here. And a little bit of amber and rose, yeah. Where I wish I was more sandalwoody, maybe a little more lavendery, but we'll have to test it out. Again, it might smell different on sheets and laundry. But I'm excited to try it. All right, guys, so that was my spring FabFitFun box. I hope you enjoyed me showing you all the options I picked. Again, you get 6 options and they give you a bunch to choose from. You pick and then you move on to the next category. In some, you can add like a second choice in that same category for a little bit extra money if you feel like there's 2 items that you really want in that same selection category. But again, I've really been enjoying this. If you guys got a spring FabFitFun box or if you've gotten something that you've loved from FabFitFun, let me know down below. I would love to hear from you guys. And again, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe before you go. I would truly appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.